Hey coffee family, today let's talk about specialty coffee versus commercial coffee. Do you know the differences? Why is it so important for you as a coffee lover or a barista to know the difference between specialty coffee and commercial coffee? Would you believe it if I tell you that the main reason why some coffee beans cost more than the other are influenced by the difference between specialty coffee and commercial coffee? Or let's talk about the difference in the barista salaries. Why specialty coffee baristas earn more than the commercial coffee baristas? Or let's talk about the difference in coffee brewing. Why some coffee shops brew coffee a certain way and why some other coffee shops brew coffee a certain way. Have you ever noticed that sometimes when you go to a certain coffee shop, you will be able to have an amazing cup of coffee, which is well balanced with the right flavors and aroma. And whereas if you go to another coffee shop, the coffee is going to be bitter and burnt. All these key differences are influenced by the difference between specialty coffee and commercial coffee. And this is why I have made this video, so that I can share with you each and everything that I know about specialty coffee and commercial coffee. For the 6 years I have worked as a barista, I am going to make sure by the end of this video you have a clear understanding on what is specialty coffee and what is commercial coffee. As a beginner barista, you will be able to choose which type of barista you want to become. Do you want to become a specialty coffee barista or a commercial coffee barista? And if you're someone who wants to buy coffee beans to use at home or you want to open up a coffee shop, you'll be able to understand the difference in pricing so that you can make the right choice. What is specialty coffee? Specialty coffee is a term that is being given to coffee beans of a high quality. This means these coffee beans score 80 points and above, and this is being done by a coffee professional who's known as a Q grader. So a Q grader tests and evaluates coffee depending on the quality of the coffee beans. So this is where the scoring comes from. The coffee is being tested and evaluated on a scale of 1 to 100. So the coffee beans that score 80 points and above, these are the coffee beans that are classified as specialty coffee. So on the other hand, commercial coffee beans, these are coffee beans that are of low quality than the specialty coffee. These coffee beans are the coffee beans that don't reach 80 points. Any coffee beans below 80 points is the one that is considered to be commercial coffee. Commercial coffee are these coffee beans that you often find in your local grocery or supermarket. If not, you'll find them being served in the fast food chain or large coffee franchises. What causes the difference in prices? Commercial coffee beans are going to be cheaper than the specialty coffee beans because of these factors. Specialty coffee, these are coffee beans that are grown on a specific farm, on the perfect altitude and on the right climate. These coffee beans are properly cared for so that they reach maturity and harvesting. When it comes to picking these coffee beans from the coffee plant, these coffee beans are hand-picked so that they can pick the ready and the ripe cherries off the plants. This helps to make sure they pick the right quality of the coffee beans to be processed. Whereas on the commercial coffee beans, these coffee beans are often grown on a large scale, so when it comes to harvesting them, they are often harvested using machines, which harvest the ripe and the unripe coffee beans. And this is what will lead to the inconsistency in the taste because you're picking the unripe and the ripe cherries at the same time. And when it comes to roasting these two coffee beans, specialty coffees are often roasted on a medium and a light roast. This is aiming to bring out the natural sweetness and the flavors and aromas from the coffee bean so that a barista will be able to brew for you a perfect cup of coffee. As for the commercial coffee are roasted in big batch and they are often roasted on a dark roast. This is aimed to hide the defects in the coffee. This is what is going to result into that bitter and burnt taste when you use the commercial coffee. When it comes to the barista brewing these two coffees, we have two types of baristas. We have the specialty coffee barista and the commercial coffee barista. For you to become a commercial coffee barista, you don't need to have a lot of knowledge about coffee. You only need to have the basic knowledge about brewing coffee. And when you go to the commercial coffee, most of the time they are only brewing their coffee with only one grinder and one espresso machine. So you're going to just have your normal cup of coffee and you'll be able to become a commercial coffee barista. For you to become a specialty coffee barista, there are 3 levels where you can be a specialty coffee barista. We have the beginner barista, the senior barista, and the head barista. Each of these levels will require you to have different amount of knowledge. If you want to know more about the roles of a specialty coffee barista, I'll link my video in the description below. Make sure to check it out after this video for you to be enlightened on what you're required to become a specialty coffee barista. But for a brief guide, the first thing for you as a specialty coffee barista, you should be able to calibrate and make the perfect coffee drink for your customers. You should be able to identify the different tastes of your coffee. You should be familiar with the different coffee brew methods used in a specialty coffee. And lastly, this is one of the most important ones. You should be good in latte art. For you to become a specialty coffee barista, you need to undergo lots of training to be classified as a specialty coffee barista. And when it comes to the different brewing equipment, and this is one of the things that confuse a lot of people. When you come to the specialty coffee shop, you're going to encounter different brewing methods. V60, Chemex, AeroPress, and many more others. Each of these brew methods is being designed to extract the perfect cup of coffee for you. As we've seen the differences between specialty coffee and commercial coffee, here is a summarized way. The coffee beans. Specialty coffee is a high quality, commercial coffee is a low quality. The roasting profile. The specialty coffee is a medium to light roast, whereas the commercial coffee is a dark roast. The taste. The specialty coffee is going to be with amazing flavors and aroma. The commercial coffee, they are only going to be like very strong and bitter. The pricing, specialty coffee is going to cost more and the commercial coffee is going to be low on price. To the availability, how easy you can find these coffee beans. Specialty coffee are going to be very few on the market because of the processes. Oftenly, for you to have specialty coffee beans, you're going to need to buy them from your local roaster or specialty coffee shop. Whereas for the commercial coffee, you'll easily find it from your local grocery, supermarkets. These are some of the most key differences between these two coffees. Now, let's talk about some of the myths that we need to bust in this video. One of the most common one is some people think specialty coffee is a brew method, which is not right. Specialty coffee is a term that is being given to coffee beans. It's not a name for barista, it's only coffee beans. High quality coffee beans are the ones that they refer to as specialty. A trained barista using this high quality coffee bean is the one who's known as a specialty coffee barista. And the coffee shop that serves these high quality coffee beans is the one that is referred to as the specialty coffee shop. If you don't serve these coffee beans, you're known as commercial coffee. And another myth that I want to bust in this video is what people think that commercial coffee is the worst coffee. This is not right. For you to determine whether a coffee is good for you or not good for you, any person can choose depending on their preference and the taste. There are some people who like that bitter and burnt coffee. The commercial coffee can be the ideal coffee for them. And there are the people that love this amazing specialty coffee. They can also choose specialty coffee. And lastly, can you brew specialty coffee at home? Yes, you can brew specialty coffee at home. You only need to have the following. You need to have the basic knowledge on how you can do specialty coffee. You can learn this by taking a basic home brew guide for specialty coffee, or you can learn online. There are many videos that will help you understand how you can make good specialty coffee at home. You can check out this video next because I share with you my basic recipes on how I make the different coffee drinks as a specialty coffee barista.